Hey everyone, if you think Thailand is just about temples and beaches, you're in for a serious wake-up call. This country is an absolute playground for adrenaline junkies and adventure seekers. Today, I'm counting down 10 mind-blowing adventure activities that will make you see Thailand in a completely different light. Let's dive in. Number 10. ATV riding through rural Phuket. Starting off our countdown, let's talk about getting dirty in Phuket. Forget the crowded beaches for a minute and head inland, where the real adventure is. ATV tours take you off-road through rubber plantations, jungle trails, muddy tracks, and up into the hills for incredible panoramic views of the island. You'll get dirty, you'll get sweaty, and you'll have an absolute blast. Phuket ATV offers half-day and full-day tours, and they cater to all skill levels. Pro tip: wear clothes you don't mind getting covered in mud, because you definitely will. Number 9. Bungee jumping in Pattaya. Coming in at number 9, we've got the ultimate test of courage. The Pattaya bungee jump stands 60 meters high over a lake, and when you're standing on that platform, your heart will be pounding out of your chest. That leap into the void and the few seconds of free fall before the cord catches you is pure, unfiltered exhilaration. Some people scream, some people laugh, some people do both. But everyone who does it says the same thing. It's life-changing. And if bungee jumping isn't quite enough, they also offer a reverse bungee where you're catapulted upwards at ridiculous speeds. Because why not? Number 8. Kayaking through Phang Nga Bay. At number 8, we're exploring one of Thailand's most iconic landscapes from water level. Phang Nga Bay is famous for its dramatic limestone karsts jutting out of the emerald water, and kayaking is hands down the best way to experience it. You'll paddle through hidden caves, secret lagoons, and mangrove forests, getting up close to these massive rock formations that tower above you. The highlight? Kayaking into the famous James Bond Island area and discovering caves that are only accessible at certain tides. Number 7. Kiteboarding in Hua Hin. If you've ever wanted to harness the power of the wind and literally fly across the water, Hua Hin is your spot. From December to March, the winds are perfect for kiteboarding, and the long, wide beaches give you plenty of space to learn without worrying about crashing into anyone. It looks intimidating at first, watching people launch themselves into the air and do tricks. But with the right instruction from schools like Kiteboarding Asia, you can be up and riding within a few days. The feeling of gliding across the water at speed with just a kite pulling you is absolutely addictive. Number 6. Ziplining through the jungle canopy in Chiang Mai. If you want to feel like Tarzan for a day, head north to Chiang Mai. Flight of the Gibbon is the most famous zipline course here. And it's not just a zipline. It's a full-blown jungle adventure. We're talking about soaring through the rainforest canopy at speeds that'll make your heart race, crossing sky bridges, and rappelling down through the trees. The longest zipline stretches over 800 meters. You'll be flying over waterfalls, ancient trees, and if you're lucky, you might even spot some actual gibbons swinging through the branches. It's eco-friendly too, which makes the adrenaline rush feel even better. Number 5. Whitewater rafting in Pai. Halfway through our countdown and things are getting intense. Pai isn't just for backpackers and hippies anymore. The Mae Tang River offers some of the best whitewater rafting in Southeast Asia. During the rainy season from June to November, the rapids can reach grade 4 and 5, which means you're in for a wild, splashy ride. You'll navigate through churning rapids, calm stretches where you can catch your breath and take in the jungle scenery. And work as a team to keep your raft from flipping. Thai Adventure Rafting is the go-to operator here. They've got experienced guides who know exactly when to shout, paddle hard, and when to let you relax and enjoy the ride. Now, before we get to the top 4, if you want to experience these incredible Thai adventures for yourself, I've got you covered. Check out the links in the description below for amazing deals on flights to Thailand, accommodations, guided adventure tours, and car rentals to explore on your own. Everything you need to plan your ultimate Thailand adventure is right there, and using those links helps support this channel so I can keep bringing you content like this. Number 4. Rock climbing in Railay Beach, Krabi. Now we're getting into the truly epic stuff. Railay Beach is one of the world's most legendary rock climbing destinations, with over 700 climbing routes. Picture yourself scaling dramatic limestone cliffs, with turquoise water beneath you and the Andaman Sea stretching out to the horizon. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned climber, Railay has routes for every skill level. The best part? You can only reach Railay by boat, so it feels like you're climbing in your own private paradise. Head to Base Camp Tonsai or Rock and Rappel to get started with experienced guides who know these cliffs like the back of their hands. Number 3. Jungle trekking in Khao Sok National Park. Breaking into our top 3, we have one of the most immersive adventures Thailand has to offer. Khao Sok is one of the oldest rainforests in the world, older than the Amazon, and trekking through it feels like stepping back in time. We're talking dense jungle, hidden waterfalls, exotic wildlife like gibbons, hornbills, and if you're extremely fortunate, maybe even a wild elephant or leopard. Multi-day treks take you deep into the park where you'll sleep in jungle camps. Wake up to the sounds of the forest coming alive and truly disconnect from the modern world. Khao Sok is also home to the stunning Chao Lan Lake with its dramatic limestone karsts rising from the emerald water. Book through Khao Sok Rainforest Resort or Arts Riverview Jungle Lodge for authentic guided experiences. Number 2. Scuba diving with whale sharks in Koh Tao. Our runner-up is an experience that'll leave you speechless. Koh Tao is already famous for being one of the best places in the world to get your diving certification, but it's also one of the few places where you can dive with whale sharks. These gentle giants, the biggest fish in the ocean, occasionally cruise through the waters around Sail Rock between March and September. Imagine floating weightlessly underwater and having a 10-meter whale shark glide past you like it's no big deal. It's humbling, it's magical, and it's one of those bucket list experiences you'll never forget. Crystal Dive and Big Blue Diving are 2 excellent operators that can take you to the best spots. Number 1. Motorbiking the Mae Hong Son Loop. And here it is, the number 1 adventure activity in Thailand. The Mae Hong Son Loop is a legendary 600-kilometer route through the mountains of northern Thailand, and it's considered one of the best motorcycle rides in the world. You'll tackle over 1,800 curves as you wind through misty mountains, remote villages, rice terraces, and some of the most spectacular scenery you've ever seen. The loop takes about 3 to 4 days if you want to really enjoy it and not just rush through. You can rent bikes in Chiang Mai from shops like Mr. Mechanic or Top Rider. The sense of freedom and adventure as you carve through those mountain curves, stopping at hidden waterfalls and local villages, sleeping in small guest houses and waking up to mountain views. It's the ultimate Thai adventure that combines adrenaline, culture, natural beauty, and complete freedom. So there you have it, the top 10 absolutely mind-blowing adventure activities in Thailand, counting down to the ultimate experience. From ATVs to whale sharks, from jungle treks to mountain loops, Thailand has something for every type of adventurer. Before you go, remember that all the links you need for booking flights, hotels, activities, and everything else for your Thailand adventure are right there in the description below. Use those links. They really help support this channel and keep these videos coming. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification bell too, so you're the first to know every time I drop a new video. Now, get out there and start planning your Thailand adventure. Trust me, your future self will thank you. See you in the next one.